Welcome to our in-depth review of the top 5 best cookers in From multifunctional pressure cookers to innovative smart cookers, we'll explore features, performance, and value. Stay tuned until the end to discover which cooker truly stands out as the ultimate kitchen companion this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The Instant Pot Pro Multi-Cooker. A compact powerhouse that brings 7 different cooking functions into one sleek design. Whether you're a busy student, a small family, or someone who loves smart kitchen gadgets, this one's worth watching till the end. The Instant Pot Pro isn't just a cooker, it's your new kitchen assistant. With 7 cooking modes including pressure cook, sauté, steam, and even make yogurt, it replaces multiple appliances. You can go from slow-cooked stews to quick rice dishes without needing extra gadgets or clutter. Despite its mini size, this 4-quart cooker packs big performance. It offers the same surface area as an 8-inch pan, perfect for up to 4 servings. Whether you're cooking solo or for a small group, it fits neatly in your kitchen without taking over your counter space. Cooking has never been smoother thanks to its anti-spin design. The inner pot stays stable while stirring or sautéing, so no more messy slips or spills. Plus, the progress indicator keeps you informed, showing exactly where your meal is in the cooking process. The rosewater color gives this multi-cooker a charming modern aesthetic. It's not just an appliance, it's decor. Compact, pretty, and practical, it effortlessly blends into any kitchen while adding a soft pop of color. If you want fast, flavorful, and fuss-free meals, the Instant Pot Pro Multi-Cooker is a must-have. Cook up to 70% faster, simplify your kitchen routine, and enjoy perfect results every time. Number 4. The Cosori Electric Pressure Cooker. A 9-in-1 kitchen powerhouse designed to simplify your cooking life and deliver perfect meals every time. The Cosori Electric Pressure Cooker combines 9 different functions in one sleek design. You can pressure cook, steam, slow cook, sauté, and even make yogurt or broth. Whether you're cooking meat, grains, or soups, this all-in-one appliance adapts perfectly to your recipe, giving consistent results without taking up extra counter space. Cleaning is a breeze with its stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant exterior, and dishwasher-safe inner pot. The widened 0.5-inch pot gap prevents mess while pouring. From daily meals to special dishes, the Cosori ensures your kitchen stays spotless while you enjoy the fun part, cooking and tasting. Made from high-quality aluminum, the cooking pot has a ceramic non-stick coating that's BPA-free and safe for all your favorite dishes. It heats evenly, prevents food from sticking, and guarantees durability. Plus, you can easily find replacement parts like the inner pot and sealing ring for long-term use. Paired with the Turbo Blaze air fryer, Cosori takes versatility to the next level. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, or dehydrate with a 5-speed airflow system that ensures even cooking. It's 46% faster than older models, giving you crispy golden meals in record time. Even beginners will love this cooker. Step-by-step visual guides and an online recipe library make it easy to prepare professional quality meals. From breakfast oats to hearty stews or air-fried snacks, Cosori supports your creativity while making cooking fun, efficient, and delicious every single time. Overall, the Cosori Electric Pressure Cooker is a smart, multifunctional kitchen companion that saves time, simplifies cleanup, and delivers amazing results. Cook smarter, not harder with Cosori. Number 3. The Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker. Whether you love slow-cooked meals or fast, flavorful dishes, this multifunction cooker adjusts automatically for perfect results. Stick around till the end to see why it's worth every penny. The Breville Fast Slow Pro stands out with its intelligent dual sensors located at the top and bottom. These sensors constantly monitor temperature and pressure, automatically adjusting for the best results. Whether you're simmering soup or pressure cooking meat, it ensures consistent flavor and perfect texture every single time. This cooker features 11 pressure settings and multiple slow cook levels, giving you the flexibility to create everything from stews to risottos. You can even sear or sauté ingredients before pressure cooking. It's like having multiple appliances in one sleek design, saving time, space, and effort in the kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze with its removable, dishwasher-safe lid and ceramic-coated bowl. The non-toxic ceramic surface is PFOA and PTFE-free, ensuring healthier cooking. Plus, the inner pot doubles as a stylish serving bowl, blending practicality with elegance for everyday use. No more risky steam burns. The auto steam release function safely controls pressure release using quick, pulse, or natural methods. This intelligent feature takes the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring safety while preserving your food's moisture and tenderness perfectly every time. The bright LCD display gives real-time feedback, showing pressure, temperature, countdown timers, and steam release indicators. With 8 pressure levels ranging from 1.5 to 12 psi, you have complete control and confidence over your cooking process. It's modern cooking made effortless. So if you're after smart technology, safety, and delicious results in one device, the Breville Fast Slow Pro is a top-tier choice. Don't forget to check out the links below for pricing and accessories. Number 2. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Multi-Cooker, a powerful all-in-one appliance that promises smarter cooking, faster meals, and perfect results every time. With 11 cooking functions, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL replaces multiple kitchen gadgets. From slow cooking and sautéing to steaming and baking, this one-pot wonder handles it all. Whether it's tender roasts or creamy pasta, you'll have complete control with just a touch of a button. The integrated smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. Simply select your protein type and desired doneness, from rare to well done, and the cooker automatically adjusts temperatures for flawless, restaurant-quality results every single time. It's perfect for both beginners and seasoned chefs. Powered by triple fusion heat, this cooker combines bottom, side, and steam heat for up to 30% faster results. The 1400-watt base ensures even cooking and high-heat searing, so your food develops that irresistible golden crust without overcooking. The 8.5-quart pot is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to crisp or finish meals right in the oven. It's large enough for family feasts. Think a 7-pound roast or a batch of chili for 20 guests. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe pot and lid. Plus, you get handy accessories: a multi-use spoon, steam rack, and smart thermometer. Everything you need for quick, easy, and smart cooking. Number 1. The Instant Pot Duo Plus V4 Multi-Cooker, your all-in-one kitchen hero that promises delicious meals up to 70% faster. Stick around till the end to find out why this model stands out from the rest. The Instant Pot Duo Plus V4 offers 9 versatile functions, from pressure cooking, sautéing, and steaming, to sous vide and yogurt making. Whether you're prepping tender roasts, fluffy rice, or homemade yogurt, this cooker transforms everyday meals into flavorful creations with just a press of a button. With 15 one-touch smart programs, this cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking. You can easily choose settings for soups, cakes, or even sterilizing baby bottles. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced home chefs who want precision without constantly monitoring their food. The upgraded display offers real-time updates on cooking time, temperature, and pressure. The detachable power cord makes it easy to store, while the compact design fits seamlessly in any kitchen. Convenience and performance meet beautifully here. Safety is a top priority with the easy-release steam switch, ensuring smooth and secure pressure release every time. No more worrying about hot steam burns. Instant Pot has made it simpler and safer than ever. The 18/8 stainless steel inner pot features a durable tri-ply bottom for even heating and stability. With a generous 6-quart capacity, it's ideal for families or batch cooking. It's built to handle everyday use while keeping your meals perfectly cooked.